Welcome, in front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't gain access to your device and can't get through this password entering window. So first thing to consider is take your time and try to remember your password. This might save you a lot of work and a lot of time, and also a lot of personal files stored on your device in some cases that I will tell you about later. Now, if you really can't remember your password, then the other thing that you can do is reach out to INFINIX customer service, and if you can prove your ownership of this device to them, they will most likely help you out and help you regain access to your smartphone. Now, if you didn't succeed doing that, then you'll also be able to recover the access to your device by performing a factory reset through the recovery mode. We have a video about this on our channel, so go check it out if you're interested on how to do this. And if you don't want to do this locally, you can also do it remotely. If you have a Find My Device feature enabled on your phone and your Google account connected to your phone, then you'll be able to remotely erase all the data from your device just by using your Google account. You can log into it on any other device and just do it. So these are the options that you have. After you erase all the data, of course, you'll be able to regain access to your device. And basically that's all I have to share with you. I hope that my advice helped you. If it did, then please consider subscribing to our channel, leave me a like maybe, and I'll see you in the next one.